Hello everyone, this is Bidasaka Salam from Pace Media, and in this video I am happy to introduce you an powerful and very convenient, useful Elementor widget developed by or provided by Happy Addons. Addon itself is called Happy Addons for Elementor. This demo section is I designed it just putting the widget and changing the names and color only. I do not do much. This is the by default settings. Where do you use this widget? The widget is called step flow. Step S-T-E-P step flow F-L-O-W. Step flow widget, and this is used to design feature section or process section. So for example, what we do section or how we do section, our process section, like that. This widget is very useful for showing step by step process of our services or our activity. In maybe your digital agency website, company website, any company or website, there is some process things to be done. It can be shown in the website itself through this widget. This step flow is very convenient widget, and good news is that this widget, this powerful widget, is part of free version of Happy Addons Elementor. You can download it and install it from wordpress.org, WordPress plugin repository. So this is good news for us. Okay, let's go and edit this page. Edit with Elementor. So let's delete this widget. This is a 3-column section, and here this is Happy Addons widget section. Here you will find step flow. Okay, where is it? Oh, here it is. This is the one. You can drag and drop here. Easy. You can change the icon. Like this. You can change the title. Okay, like this, and you can insert link. If you want to, you can link this title, and alignment, left, center, left alignment, right alignment, justified. Center is fine. I think center is good. And or wrapper link, you can insert wrapper link. Wrapper link means link for whole this widget here. If you insert link here, then whole this widget can be considered as a part of the link. Okay, and the styles, icon size. This is icon size, icon color. This is not a new thing. If you are familiar with Elementor, then you will know this. I will not go into that. For the base, same thing. Background color, this one, same thing. There is not much to introduce. Title, description, direction. Main thing that I need to introduce is this part. This direction part of the arrow here. This you can change to dotted dash like this. You can increase this white or reduce like this, or change the angle like this angle. Yeah, you can rotate 360 degree. By default this is pointing at the right side. Okay, and color, yeah, you can change the color like this. Okay, and it's very good. Okay, and the thing offset is the horizontal and vertical offset. Yeah, this is horizontal offset. By default it is 0, and this is vertical offset. Yeah, where do you want to put this arrow? That's the thing. You can use offset. So let's keep to by default. Okay, now let's copy this widget and paste here, and yeah, you can change the step to step 2. Sorry, step 2, and here this title like. Yes, let me change here, or let me change the icon first, like thumbs. Okay, like this. Oh, sorry, it should be, icon should be here. Yeah, thumbs. And let's put comment here. Comment. Step 3. Okay, like this. Yeah, you can change the adjust the color. You can make it different. Icon color. Okay, let's change the icon color to red, and let's copy this color code, and for the base change the background color to that red. Okay, like this. And title you can change to, yeah, you can change here like this. Oh, sorry, it is not showing. Yeah, okay, this is link. Yeah, we have added link, so it is not changing, so change the here. Let's change it. Okay, now it is showing. Now same color, and we can change it here too. Here let's change to blue, something like this. Okay, and copy the color, Control C, base to background color, Control V, like this. It is changing. And title, description, in the link color. Yeah, I am changing the link color because I have inserted. Yeah, we have inserted the link. If it is not link, then it should be changed here like this. Now it is showing different colors. Now it is processed, and here, as you can see, this arrow is pointing at something in the right side. There is no other steps. We are finished at step 3. So why is it pointing at the right side? What can be done? So here, let's edit this. Go to the styles and directions. Here, change color to transparency 0. Yeah, then it is not showing. Yeah, this is a trick. There is no option to direction. Yeah, I hope the Happy Addons developer choose insert a style tab here, none, so we can choose not to display the the direction. But there is for now there is no option for choosing none. So we can do is reduce the opacity, so it is not showing. Okay, now done. Yeah, for the other further design, for designing this column or this widget, this section, background, border, all can be done. I have shown you in my previous video for designing border colors, multicolors, background, on hover changing, different types of settings we can be done further to make it beautify, customize this section, this column. I have shown you in my previous video, so you can refer to my previous videos for that. For today, let me introduce further about this widget. Here for the desktop, it is done. Yeah, there is nothing more to be introduced. But in mobile screen, let's go to the mobile screen here like this. This arrow is pointing at the right side, so this is not what we want. We want to point to other steps. Yeah, but it is not doing it properly. So what can be done? That's what I want to tell you. So let's start from this one. In the direction, yeah, we can change the direction to 90 degree. Now it is showing below, but it is overlapping with the content, so now we can choose the offset. This vertical offset we can use here like this. Yeah, but it is also overlapping with the next column, so go to the column setting and add margin. So let's try 30 is not showing properly. Then let's try 100. Okay, 100. Okay, fine, now it is showing properly. Now we can see steps. If you add some sort of border in this widget column, then it will be nice. So try adding borders in your design. And let's do the same thing for this two. Step 2, go to direction, change the angle to 90 like this, and in the offset, yeah, like this, about 240 is fine, offset. And for this column too, I think, yeah, this column I have already added some margins. Let's change to 100. Yeah, like this. You can design for mobile phone too. It can point to the next column like this, point down. Yeah, this is how you design, step-by-step process. And here let me remind you something. What about those processes more than 3 steps? It can be done. Yeah, it can be done. In that case, instead of using these section columns, you prefer to use inner sections. Yeah, create a section, then insert inner sections in the basics. Yeah, inner section. Okay, it is not showing. Yeah, there are some glitches in this. With Elementor 3.0, there are some glitches. Yeah, it is not doing the work properly. So let me show you here. Let's remove the column height, minimum height to default. So let me show you in this one. So let me duplicate this section. Okay, thing is like this. In real sense, when you design, instead of what I am doing, you use the section and insert intersections, 3 column intersections, and do it design. Okay, so that it can, all the process can be put inside in the same section. What I am doing is just compromise. I don't know why I just cannot insert the intersection here. So let's remove this one. Let me show you. So now what we in my previous step we removed the arrow, but now we can instead of put it distance to 90 degree here like this, and offset about to 40 like we did before. Okay, like this. And this margin section we can add some margin about 100 like this. Yeah, so and for here and you can change the direction to, okay, let me increase the opacity first like this and change to 190. Where is it? No, opacity, sorry, opacity 100%. Okay, what it is doing? Oh, okay, opacity have increased. Okay, now change the angle to 180 degree. Now step by step process can be done. So let's call this step 4. This is step 4, and this is step 5. Go to directions, angle, okay, angle 180 degree like this. Like this. Then there is some opacity here. Let's remove these ones. It is not showing properly. Yeah, there are some glitches in this in the interface. I don't know, it is due to my internet connection or due to this WordPress plugins or other conflicts, but there is some glitches. Like this. For the last widget, for the last step, you have to reduce the opacity to 0% like this. Here, like this. This is the step 6. Yeah, like this. You can see properly. Yeah, there was some glitches in the between. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, but now we can see the step is by step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Like this, you can do it all the time up to infinity, as long as you can do. But I think I hope you reduce your process up to step 6. More than step 6, then it will look rather, yeah, somewhat redundant. Step 6, it can be seen on the same screen. This is my desktop screen, so it is large, but in laptop and smaller screens, if it is more than 6 steps, that it wouldn't be able to see on the same screen. That's not good. What we want to do is we want to put the same section in the same screen. Yeah, that's not a standard for design. What I'm saying is there's not a standard, but some sort of convention, yeah, standard we use to practice in web design. that's all what I want to introduce about this widget I have introduced. If you have still questions, doubts, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I will try to answer for you as quick as possible, as soon as possible. And if you like this video, if it is helpful, please click the thumbs up button, and I hope you click the subscribe button. Subscribe me, support me, and I will try to do more YouTube videos on WordPress plugins, tutorials, widgets, more on specifically about Elementor page builder, add-ons, widgets. Thanks for watching again.